Another rainbow method problem. Let's set it up. We want to add to 8. What do we want to multiply to? Let's get that rainbow going. 3 times 4 gives me 12. So I want to multiply to 12. Multiply to 12, add to 8. What could I do there? How about 6 and 2? Pshoo! 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. So it adds to 8. It multiplies to 12. Bibbidi bobbidi, let's keep going. So I'm going to have 3x squared. I'm going to split that 8x up into 6x plus 2x. And then we add 4 equals 0. Remember, this 8x is split up to the 6x plus 2x. We don't just go to the x plus 6, x plus 2, solve it and call it a day. We're better than that. This is rainbow method. There's more to this. So I group this one. Now I'm going to factor out my GCF. I have 3x times, well, 3x squared divided by 3x is left. I'm left with x plus 6x divided by 3x. I'm left with 2. Then I'm going to factor out a 2 here, and I'm left with x plus 2 inside the parentheses. Oh, this is good, though. This is good. I've got the same thing in the parentheses. That's my GCF. I can take that out. It should be the same, otherwise I did something incorrect. And I'd have to go back and check and find my mistake. So I have x plus 2 times, then my leftovers are 3x plus 2, and that all equals 0. Now if I were just asked to factor, this would be my answer, but here we're going to factor and solve. So I set each part equal to 0, so x plus 2 equals 0, 3x plus 2 equals 0. So I'm going to subtract 2 on this first one. I'm left with x equals -2. There's one of my answers. And then I'm going to subtract 2 once again on this one. But here I have 3x equals -2. So I have to divide by 3. And I'm left with x equals -2 over 3. There's my second answer. We've got our two answers here, -2 and -2/3. We are done.